Hey everybody, gonna go to a really popular food market tonight. So first though, I'm gonna meet up with my nephew and his wife and we're gonna head over there. So why don't you guys stick around and let's check this place out together. Hey. You guys ready to go get something to eat?
I'm hungry.
Here's your typical Thai bathroom with a view. So that's going to be the start. Nice rack of ribs. Let's see how these are. Well, here's a great idea. They give you plastic gloves. So we also got a little sashimi and some barbecued seafood. So there you go. We put an end to it. So Kevin, what'd you think?
It was bomb, mate. I'll tell you what, the ribs were succulent, fell off the bone, sweet but salty. We move on to down here we've got all of the seafood. The seafood was amazing. Now it was everything from mussels to clams to chowder. You got it all, and we even got sashimi. So it's fresh. It's not fresh, but if it's not fresh, it's cooked to the brims with a lovely broth, and then we got everything from a nice beer here.
So there you go, Jodd Fair. Stop by, check out the ribs for one, really good. But the place is great. Come by, check it out, you'll like it.